The body gets to beat, the body gets to beat up with its own sound. The hands get tapping and the rhythm gets a rhythm and not let me down. The body gets to beat when the body gets to sweet. Well, the fingers get the fret, the strings get the beat.